look. I mean, I packed all my Dior makeup, but look at this. Brushes. Thank you. Wait, I just realized I still have not explained to you guys what I'm doing here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my god, it has my name on it and Dior on the same item. That's really cool. Welcome to Los Angeles. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. What's this? The invitation. Bella Hadid and Peter Phillips are delighted to invite Madame Morello Chloe to discover the new essentials of Dior Backstage. So Seba and I have just got to the hotel, and if you guys didn't realize, we are working with Dior to show you the new Dior Backstage range. A lot of influencers from around the world have come to Los Angeles because we get to preview the new collection, and we get to go to a party tonight with Peter Phillips and Bella Hadid. So it's really exciting because not only do we have the party tonight with Bella Hadid, but we also get to learn all about the products today with Peter Phillips, who is the Christian Dior artistic director and makeup artist. So let's go eat, I think, because we have very minimal time, honestly. We have to leave straight to the session with Peter Phillips. So let's go downstairs and grab a bite to eat. So we have a really big day and we're both really hungry. So we are going to get something to eat, and I'm eyeing the pasta. I got the salmon. I feel like I always get salmon, but I feel like you just can't go wrong. It's so yummy. Yum. So we made it to Milk Studios. We're on time, which I'm really happy about. Sometimes you can't trust the traffic here. This is it. This is where they're having the session to learn about the new products. I already know what they are, and you guys do too, because I put some on in the car. I'm wearing the Glow palette, the new one, number 2. Does it look good on camera? Good. Okay, so we've got to wait for the team member that's meeting us here, and then I think we're all going into the session together. Hi guys, so I finally made it here, and look who I'm with. This is Peter Phillips from Dior Makeup.
Hi everybody.
I'm really excited to pick his brain about the new products. So Dior has just launched 2 new products in the Backstage range.
Yes, a few new elements. One of them is, I'm very much in love with that product. It's not the most exciting product, it's a primer.
Yeah, but that's necessary.
But it's I mean, an amazing primer.
Yeah.
It's a good, because what I want to do was like bring skincare into that primer routine.
It's blurring, plumping.
It's blurring, plumping, nourishing. You don't lose your luminosity, and you have the benefits of a blurring effect.
And I love that we compared those together.
Yeah.
And with that's the Glow palette right there. Well, that's the primer.
That's the primer, and that's the Glow palette.
I put it on in the car. I have it on.
Oh, fantastic! You look great.
Thank you.
So the great thing is with the primer is that it's a lightweight primer, which has the nourishing effects. It's hydrating, but still has the quality of a proper primer. So it will enhance your long lasting of your foundation, and it will do the pore refining effect, blurring effect, and all the benefits you expect from a primer.
Right.
But it feels like a lightweight moisturizer.
Yeah.
Then next to that we have a new Glow palette, which is in its shades it looks a bit more neutral than the one we already have.
Yes.
But in the makeup result, in the effect, it's a bit more spectacular. So we call it the Glow Glitz palette. And so we have 3 different formulas. The 2 top formulas are a bit more satin base with a pinpoint sparkle.
Right.
One is a bit like a olive gold, which I thought would be great for olive tone skin. Then we have like a pink champagne
That's
glow.
what I'm wearing.
Yeah, beautiful, luminous, wow, with a little sparkle in it.
And these 2 are a bit more sparkly than those.
More sparkly, yes.
Right.
Then we have the bronze, which has a little surprise in it. It's like a classic bronze, but with a shocking pink sparkle in it. So
I love that.
It gives this beautiful luminous effect, and when it catches the light of the sun, it's just that there's this burst of shocking pink, which is kind of surprising. And this is a satin finish, and the satin finish is like a peach. Adds this beautiful glow, blends in nicely with your skin tone when you apply it with a loose brush. If you apply it with your fingers or with a flat brush, it becomes more metallic almost.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll have to try that.
Yeah.
And you can also use these on your eyes or wherever you want.
Yeah, you can do
Body.
cleavage, a collarbone, in the cupid bow of your lip as a
With
little
fingers.
highlight. With your fingers in the corner of your eye. You can do anything with it.
Amazing.
You know?
Which color do you use on Bella?
Bella, it's more the champagne and the bronze.
Oh, okay.
Because she's got her skin tone is really warmed up. She's been in the sun. and then maybe a little bit of the peach on the inner corner of the eye.
Okay, good tip. Thank you so much for speaking to me. I really enjoyed that. I can't wait to see what we learn in the session.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much. So the interview went well. I did clam up and I forgot some of my questions. So I hope that anything I didn't learn about, I'm going to learn about in this session.
I'll let you go, just need some time. You're not busy, need to find your way.
So now we're going to go take our seats and we get to try out the products on ourselves. Soft, right?
That's really nice.
If you're a fan of the first Dior Backstage Glow palette, you'll really like this one. The colors are a little bit more glimmery and sparkly, and this one has pink reflex in it. It's really unique. See that? So just got back from the session. We have maybe 2 hours to get ready. I've also got a little bit of work to do in between that time, so there really is not a lot of time for me to get my makeup off, do new makeup, get my hair done, get some photos, get changed, all that stuff. So I am gonna set myself up over there to do my makeup. So my hairstylist is doing my hair and I'm gonna start getting ready. I'm definitely gonna start out with the primer because it worked so well on the back of my hand at the event. That is such a nice primer. As Peter said, it's very blurring and smoothing and mattifying, but at the same time you don't lose the radiance in your skin. Can't wait to see how it performs under the foundation. I use this foundation all the time but without primer, so now that they've designed a primer for the foundation, I'm gonna get right on that train. As you guys probably know by now from my page, one coat is like a really nice light foundation, and then if you build it up you can get a medium for full coverage. I love it, and I use the neutral shades. They match perfectly every time. Ready, and I've truly never felt hotter in my life. So we're gonna go down to the car and then head to the party.
This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours, in one way we're strangers, but I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't.
That's the venue. We're about to go inside.
Down and right on there, but forget
party has ended and Sebastian and I are back in the hotel on our way back to the room. Can you believe Sebastian lost his phone tonight?
I left it in an Uber.
We managed to get the kind Uber driver to drop it back to us.
Thank goodness.
So thank goodness, and we're gonna get back to our room now. We actually have a bit of work to do, so we left a little bit early from the party. We didn't get to meet Bella Hadid, unfortunately. I really wanted to, and I kept saying it throughout this vlog, so I have to explain. I didn't get to meet her. She had a lot of things on. Maybe another time, because I'm a big fan. And now we're back in our room. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and I'm gonna say goodbye now. So this is it, guys. Good night from us. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Thank you, Dior, for sponsoring us for this video. We had a lot of fun and we loved staying here. I know this lighting setup looks dodgy, but trust me, it was for a photo. Head to my Instagram to see the photo. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you soon.
This is